Valentina, can you give Carissa a hug? Carissa behind you. Ready? Can you hug Carissa? Can you hug? Carissa's right here. Oh, hug Carissa.
Carissa, can you give Valentina a hug?
Can you give Valentina a hug too?
Can you give Valentina a hug?
Valentina, this one. She's been playing with you.
抱抱好不好？抱抱。
Carissa a hug?
Valentina 抱抱。
Good.
Oh.
Look at mommy.
Hi, can you give Auntie Sheila a hug?
Cheese.
Carissa, can you give Auntie Sheila a hug? Cheese. Cheese, yeah. Hi, can you give Auntie Sheila a hug? Can you give her 5?
High five.
Yeah. Hug, yeah, hug. Give Ingrid a hug. Can you give Ingrid a hug?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.